To copy and paste the links for the Canvas courses you wish to be transferred over to Schoology, simply log on to Canvas, find your Courses tab, then click on All Courses. There you will find a list of all courses you have in Canvas. Choose a course that you would like copied over to Schoology, click on that link, then highlight the URL, right-click to copy, open the Google form, right-click to paste, add a comma and a space, then return to Canvas. Again, click on the Courses tab to take you back to all of your courses. Then click on the next course you wish to be copied over. Highlight the URL, right-click, copy, return to the Google form, right-click, and paste. Once you have done this for each of the courses you wish to be transferred over, hit the Submit button on the Google form.